Hi, the latest publication from Securiton is a design guide to using aspirating smoke detection in hospitals and large clinics. Today I have with me Markus Müller, Director of Vertical Application Management, to explain why this guide was needed. Markus, are hospitals particularly at risk from fire?
Well, every modern building is at risk to some degree, but actually hospitals have some very specific hazards and challenges, which is why we think ASD is the best solution. On the one hand, they are big, complex buildings with large numbers of visitors, and of course many people who would not be able to evacuate themselves. Even a partial evacuation of a hospital is extremely undesirable, and if it is done, there must be enough time for staff to get patients to safety. So very early warning fire detection can help with this. Secondly, there are specific hazards such as oxygen and chemicals. Surgical fires in an operation theatre often present significant risk to life safety, for example. Such fires can potentially spread rapidly due to the presence of extremely flammable materials in an often small and enclosed space.
Yeah, so we use ASD for its extremely high sensitivity, and this gives us advance warning of an incipient fire. Ideally, operators are going to prepare a staged response to any incident using the different alert and alarm levels available with Securismoke ASD. That will maximise the chance of extinguishing the fire before it can spread, but will also ensure time for an evacuation if necessary. But this design guide also highlights certain challenges to using ASD.
Yes, hospitals have sensitive high-risk areas with restricted access, such as operating theatres, MRI scan areas, X-ray rooms. Some of these are ambient controlled and pressurized. However, while this is a challenge that must be considered, I also think it is an advantage of ASD because we can situate the control unit outside the sensitive area, which makes maintenance and testing more straightforward. As for the challenge, the guide explains exactly how to design for these eventualities, as well as dealing with atria, false ceilings and other difficulties. It's free and you can download it from securiton.com.
Thank you.